Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Professor Wole Soyinka storms Benin Republic met Sunday Igboho. Noble laureate Wole Soyinka has met with Yoruba Nation campaigner Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho. The Punch reports. Also at the meeting include Yoruba Nation arrowhead and leader of the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilana Omo Oodua Worldwide, Banji Akintoye. Our correspondents learned that the meeting took place on Sunday in neighboring Benin Republic, where Igboho is being restricted to after his bail on medical ground. The details of the Sunday meeting were, however, sketchy as of press time. Akintoye had on March 7, 2022, announced the release of Igboho in the neighboring Francophone country. Declared wanted by the Department of State Services for allegedly stockpiling arms to destabilize Nigeria, an allegation it denied. Igboho had fled his Ibadan residence and escaped to Benin Republic in July 2021. Luck ran out on him and he was arrested by the Interpol at the Benin airport on July 19, 2021, when he tried to board a Germany-bound flight. He was, however, released on health grounds after about 9 months in a detention facility in the neighboring Francophone West African country. Igboho's lead counsel, Yomi Aliyu, had ruled out the possibility of his client's return to Nigeria anytime soon.